Cece.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Ratni.
How old are you?
I'm 53 years old.
Are you married?
I'm 3 plus.
You have son or
I have
daughter?
one daughter, 32 years old.
Are you Muslim?
Yes, I am Muslim.
You have experience in Hong Kong?
Yes, I do.
How many employer you have?
3.
And first employer?
First employer is 12 years old. 12 years in Kowloon Bay.
What job?
Cleaning, cooking, and take care for the small dog.
And second employer?
Second employer only couple cooking and uh, cleaning.
Then last employer?
Last employer look after Popo. Elderly is 78 years old, 26 months.
You can cook Chinese food?
Yes, I do. For example, steamed fish, sweet sour pork rib, and fried vegetables.
Okay. Thank you, Cece.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye.